and focus on the national capital. As far as the Delhi airport, which has warned that the flights that are not compliant with Cat 3 standards may face delays or disruptions due to dense fog in the region. As far as moderate to dense fog that is expected and is very much prevalent this morning, as it could be seen with the residents there of Delhi NCR waking to a thick envelope of fog. Now, when it comes to isolated areas, early this morning, we are looking at the passengers there who have been advised to check with the airlines for potential delays. Let's get in a word from Tetri, who is joining us right now. Tetri, good morning. Dense fog today, looking at the current cold winter situation, and what is the warning that is now coming across as far as airports warning the passengers to check their flights or potential delays?
Well, absolutely. You see, as the temperature is dipping down, the fog continues and in fact increases here in the national capital. And in fact, advisories are being issued by the airlines as well to check before leaving their houses that whether the flight is delayed or cancelled because of the thick fog. Yesterday also there was a guideline or issued by the by the airlines itself to check before leaving their residences, so as to if there is a delay or if the flight is cancelled which they are going to board. Currently I'm reporting from the heart of Delhi, which is the Connaught Place, and here also you can see that this entire area is covered with the fog. And not just that, but IMD, the Indian Meteorological Department, has predicted that cold wave will continue in the national capital for the entire week. And not just that, but also the temperature is also likely to dip down more. And in fact, the IMD has also said that the dense fog, the kind of situation that you're watching on your TV screens right now, this will be continuing today and tomorrow as well. And that is why the advisory has been issued by the Delhi International Airport as well, that all the passengers who are flying to Delhi or coming from Delhi or coming to Delhi, they should contact their respective airlines to make ensure that there are no delays in the flight. And in fact, they are also saying that as of now, the flight operations are normal, but it is likely that that there can be a delay or can take a hit later in the daytime. So yes, we'll have to see, so as to what happens next as far as the dense fog is concerned. Because certainly, if we talk about national capital from where we are reporting right now, here also, it is very difficult to drive and travel in such a dense fog, and it will, however, continue for the upcoming days as well. Back to you.
Well, the people there and the viewers watching should be very careful, especially while venturing out in their cars early this morning, as the pictures that have been coming in, thick fog that has enveloped Delhi this morning, as the national capital that continues to remain in the grip of a cold wave. Advisories that has also been issued by the Delhi airport in view of dense fog, notifying the possibility of delays in flight operations throughout the day. And pictures that have been coming in, as you can see, undeterred when it comes to the fog or the cold wave. Our Jawans continue with the rehearsal for the upcoming Republic Day celebrations. But pictures that have been coming in from different parts of the national capital showing thick fog and very low visibility on major routes in the city. And further, the IMD, as Tetri has said, has predicted cold wave that will persist in the national capital for further a couple of days, in which the temperature is likely to rise by a few degrees. All right, Tetri, thank you very much for the moment for joining in. As far as Delhi experiencing dense fog with visibility that has significantly dropped, people are advised to remain careful. Let's talk about Delhi more. As